Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all again with the GLS-Maybach, and as a lot of you guys have requested, today I will be doing not a normal POV drive. I will be doing a POV chauffeur drive where I will be sitting in the back, let myself be chauffeured by my personal driver, as you have to do in a GLS-Maybach. Before we step inside and start with the drive, let me just talk about this kind specific. GLS600 Maybach here. Exterior paint is full finished in here. Red. We have a lot of chrome parts and some nice details. For example, this is the only SUV with the Mercedes-Benz star on the bonnet. These are the winter tires, please excuse them. Normally we would have these tires, and we have a V8 Mercedes engine, basically the same engine they have in the AMGs, 557 brake horsepower. We also have the starter generator supporting the engine. Less talking, no walk around, as I already did one. If you want to check that out, just click the info box above. Let's just get right into it and start with the chauffeur driving inside these beautiful seats. Opening the door, we have the entrance board, the Maybach entrance lights. I love the details here. Yet again, the floor mats, the seats, these are optional, as I already mentioned. Amazing. But now it's time to start the drive. Let's go. Wow, we are now starting our chauffeur drive. I will be not driving the car this time. I will be sitting in the first class rear seats inside the Maybach GLS, guys. As a lot of you guys have requested, I will be also doing POV chauffeur drive where I will be explaining you a lot of things. What do we have here? What are the special options? And we'll show you through everything. But before that, let's put our seatbelts on and start with the drive. So starting with the drive, first things first, these seats in the back, the so-called first class seats, are optional. You pay a lot of money, I guess around 6,000 euros just for these two first class seats. If you go and get yourself a Maybach GLS, these are essential. You pay 160 base price for the GLS Maybach itself. Then you have a lot of options to choose. The two-tone exterior paint, the interior trim, for example, there are a lot. But now we will be driving inside a tunnel to give you the best view of the Maybach interior, guys. We have the so-called wraparound effect. We have ambient lighting even on top, which looks amazing. Just look at this. You have it starting in the front, running around the interior and covering you, giving you that wraparound effect, creating a whole new atmosphere for both drivers and rear passengers. You even see we have the 3D Burmester sound speakers, and even those are covered with the ambient lighting, giving it a very nice touch. So let's go ahead. First things first, start the display here in front of us. You have the Maybach emblem popping up. You can actually use that and tap around, but as soon as you move your seat backward, you couldn't be using that. Therefore, we also have this, the touchpad. You start the system and then you just use it over here, which is also very simple to use. We have the MBUX, the latest, not the latest, but the MBUX system on that one, which is also very easy to use. But before we continue, let me talk about the interior trim. Full white leather interior trim. We have every single part, almost every single part, finished in leather. And if you don't believe me, let me show you this. Even those are finished in leather. I mean, you can't see it clearly right now, but as you have a closer look on that, you see it's fully finished in leather. I love the way this looks. So now we left the tunnel. We have a more clear view on the bright interior, guys. I love the way this looks. But let's focus on the first class seats and the chauffeur drive. First things first, what you gotta do, we have these buttons over here. With this button you can move the seat in front of you, which is only available for the right hand side seat. As on the left hand side we have the driver in front of us. We just press that button and then we move the seat, which is already moved. But if you press this button, you have the seat instantly moving and laying you more to the back, giving you very, very comfortable seating position. Let me just do that. Just go ahead and check this out. Look, the seat is in the front now. We have this leg rest and we have the seat which moved more to the back. The point is, I'm very tall and therefore afraid that my shoes touch the seat, the white seats. Therefore I will be moving that back. So that's okay for me. Talking about these buttons, we have the memory seat functions. We have all the buttons here. You can close and open the windows and the curtains on left and right hand side, as you see here, which is super cool. Then you can also control the panorama roof. Just look at this. And look how long it is. It's creating a whole new atmosphere. I love the way you have so much daylight in the interior. Look how bright the interior is now. And now we're driving inside the tunnel again. Look at this. Wow. Name a better interior. I will wait, because there is none. This is the best. Closing the panorama roof again. There we go. Now concentrating, as I mentioned, we have the 3D Burmester sound speaker system. We have the piano with the flowing lines, which is pretty cool as we have it in contrast with the white leather. Something also very cool, optional headphones. These are from Mercedes, very, very nice design. Let me just unpack them. Here we go. Very cool. You can connect these with the multimedia system and then you can listen to music, watch a movie or else. I love the design of these. For the Maybach, just the best. Just put that back again and place it over here. You also have that for your co-driver, but it's optional. You don't need to choose that. So this is pretty cool because you can't really just get on to that display, therefore you need another one. But yes, first world problems. In the back again, here we have the refrigerator. At Hollmann we didn't have it because it's optional. Let me just open it up. You see you have space for 3 champagne bottles. You can just put them inside here and close that again. You have your space for your Maybach glasses. I think since this car is a test drive car, they just removed these. We have the Maybach emblem over here as well and over there as well, full finished in chrome with the nice flowing lines on the piano, which I love. As I said, in addition with the white interior, you see it's running through the back. In the back we have again the Burmester speaker covers, the Burmester speaker over there on top, creating the 3D sound, which is the best. And as I also said, we have it everything finished in leather, real leather. You see that white stitching, white leather, gorgeous. Just give you a quick look again on these, full leather trim, some quality stuff over here. We have the climate controls for the back seats over there. We have the cup holders left and right hand side, cooling and heating as well. And you can put the Maybach glasses, which you can store over here, inside these. And as soon as you put them in, you see they will be grabbing your glasses, so they will be safe inside here. As I don't drink alcohol, I don't really feel this, but I guess there will be a lot of people who will use this. Let me just close that back again. Full finishing piano again, not a big problem as we have the white leather inside. Let me just show you this here. Opening that up, you have your Maybach tables. Just unfold them and there we go. That's the way I love to travel. I could stay here for hours working on my stuff, watching a movie. Like being chauffeured is a great thing, especially inside the Maybach GLS. So what would you do, guys? Would you rather sit in the back, watch a movie, enjoy your time, enjoy a massage? By the way, these are also massage seats. Or would you drive? Just leave it in the comment section below. Really curious how you think. Folding that back in, there we go. Fold that back in. Very, very cool. So how do you guys like the back view? How do you like all the special things for the rear passengers? Would you rather drive? Would you rather sit in the back? Just leave it in the comment section below. Something I forget to mention is that we have a Maybach mode. Yes, you heard that right. As we have a sport mode, a comfort mode, a curve mode, an off-road mode, we have a Maybach mode. I actually set the car into Maybach mode right now, as you see. And this allows to have the best and most smooth and comfortable ride in the back. Now, as we approach the red light, the car won't even shut down the engine. The start-stop won't work, because this will cause some uncomfortable situations for the rear passengers. It has to be the maximum, the max luxurious and comfortable ride. Therefore, as we also have the active body control, it's completely concentrating on the back seats, on the passengers in the back, which is super cool, guys. You instantly feel the change of that. Feels very focused on the back seats. I don't think that you have this in any other luxury SUV like the Bentayga or the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So that's it basically for my first chauffeur drive inside the GLS600 Maybach. Guys, how do you like it? Do you like the white trim in the interior? Would you go for the beige trim or maybe for a full black trim? Just comment that in the comment section below. Would you rather drive this car or be chauffeured? Leave it in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all a great day. I will be back.